Yo guys, Agbadenko Cyber. You all know we have different kind of Wi-Fi. We have the small one, which is wireless mini Wi-Fi, and this was a wireless Wi-Fi or a router. We have a router, we have switch, and we have the others. But today I'm going to talk about the three types, and the other one you will see it in the next video. All these Wi-Fi have a way of resetting their password. Maybe you have forgotten your Wi-Fi password and you want to what? Reset it. You don't have to worry. All you have to do is to watch this video. Hello guys, you all know we have different kind of Wi-Fi network or routers that we use to connect to the internet. So today I'm going to show you the three different types of Wi-Fi that we have. And if in case you have forgotten the password, I'm going to show you the simplest way to reset it and get your password back. So when you buy a new Wi-Fi, these are the ports of the Wi-Fi that connect to the internet or to the air that obtain the IP address in the air. Any device that connects to a Wi-Fi network, it is connected through the IP address. So these ports signal or search for IP addresses in the internet or in the on the space to what obtain it. So let's say you bought a Wi-Fi like this, a router like this, router like this, and you don't know where to get the password. The password is here. All the password, admin password, and everything, you can get it here. The same thing applies to this mini Wi-Fi. So this mini Wi-Fi also have its own informations at this page. You can get the password there. And this one too, this a router that you have to buy, or should I say an ether that you have to what connect to the pool and all the blah 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 blah. I hope you understand. So these are the port, the LAN 4, LAN 3, LAN 1. You can use the USB, the telephone. You can connect your telephone to this one. So this is the Huawei Echo Light. So let's say you have any of these routers or Wi-Fi connected. Then you mistakenly forgotten your password or someone gave you dash you this Wi-Fi but you don't know the password. All you have to do is get yourself a pin like this. Then with a router like this that has a pole, most of the time they have their reset button at this place. So you can tap or press on the reset button for at least for 30 seconds and it will reset the password for you to use the default password over here. And when we get back to this one too, it have the reset button at this place. So all you have to do is get a pin and use it on it for like 30 seconds. And also if you have a Wi-Fi like this, all you have to do is to what? Put the pin at this place and place it for 30 seconds. Just as simple as that. So this is how you can what? You can set or reset your Wi-Fi password when you have forgotten. And these are some examples of Wi-Fi that you can use. I go by the name called Cyber. See you in our next video. Alhamdulillah. Stay safe and stay informed. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share to help the video or to help the channel grow. Bye.